Woohoo! My honey's a fisherman. Come on, babe. Where is it? Here. Oh, it's coming in upside down. You got it wrapped. Oh, it's a cute baby. Butt scratcher. Hey now. This ain't no water park. You didn't come here to get all wet. That's pretty. He's protesting. I feel like Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's got to be the chartreuse. Yellow like goldfish. Yeehaw! Look at that. That's pretty. Hold on, let me take a picture. Watch out. Hold on.